Oh boy, I'm in trouble. I'm way late. I wanted you to see this. This is the ash pan I've been working on. Um, I'm doing a final, well, not a final, but fourth actually, alpha 4 4.0 print, and that's a modified firebox I've been working on, sort of generic. Let you guys decorate it if you want, but this hides the motor from the underside and all that good stuff. The other thing I've been working on is the tender for the Atlantic Basic Next Gen. These are all the bits and pieces. I just printed them all out. I've been trying like hell to assemble them, and I just got the pieces together, wired up. I'm getting asked to come upstairs already, but in any case, this is the Atlantic Basic all-wheel pickup, motor control. This is the power input. That's temporary, and this is the 9 volts for smoke. Okay, there's no sound on this. We're going to use this only for vintage smoke, where you got puff and chuff mechanical. That's where this is going to go. So this was all just engineered and assembled today, basically out of these parts. I had the trucks, of course. I made the plate. I made this adapter. I fitted these two pieces together, so I now have the two rectifiers working in tandem. The 9 volts is not wired up yet. And the engine that I'm using, this is not the engine, that's the mock-up. The engine I'm using is somewhere else. Oh, this must be the engine. Yeah, this is it. This is the Atlantic that I'm using. So it's going to have the vintage smoke, so you have all the puff and chuff, and the tunable smoke. So it's this chassis, motor chassis, with the Atlantic plastic, and this tender. There you go. That's what we're going to do. If I brought those brushes over and had time, I can't. She's begging me to get upstairs. So there it is. The first time I've put Next Gen Basic, Level 1 Basic. Leon is obviously not basic. So we're going to say this is the baseline. You know, in the $100 range is my target to get an Atlantic up to this level. So I'll post this. We can talk more tomorrow. Tomorrow should be a better day. Bye.